everyone, this is Sheshe coming on to do a product review from the Dollar Tree of this glitter paper. It's adhesive backed, and I'll show you the fabulous colors it comes in. I've shared this in my haul video, but in case you did not know, it looks like a light pink, a darker pink, a gold, a royal blue, sort of like a aqua, and a green. Okay, so that's what I have. And so many people were commenting in my comment section about how it was terrible, they didn't like it, it was hard to die cut. Some also suggested if I couldn't get it to die cut, to use it as backgrounds. So I'm going to show you what I did. I was able to die cut it. So I just peeled back the adhesive. This is an A2 size piece of cardstock. And I just match it up as best as I can. And stick it down on some cardstock. And just make sure that it's stuck on there very good. Okay, here are the die cuts that I was able to die cut, and then I'll demo how I did it. So as you can see, these are very intricate, these script word dies. I hope you can see it well in the light. Okay, so I cut out hello, fabulous, sent with love, hello, gorgeous, another hello, and a hugs. Okay, so as you can see, I don't know if the people that were saying it was hard to die cut, maybe they were just die cutting it without attaching it to some cardstock. I don't know, but one tip that I do have is that I have a precision base plate for my Big Shot, and that's what I use to cut through the glitter paper. So I'm going to bring that out. And I'll also try it without the precision base plate, but it worked awesome without it. So this is how it looks. It says precision base plate for your Sizzix machine, and you cut on this plate things that are very intricate. It helps you. So first I'm going to demo how it cuts with the plate, and then maybe that was the issue. They didn't have this particular product to help them. So I have my Big Shot right here. I use a magnetic platform, so I'm going to put that down first. Next, I'm going to put down my precision base plate, and it's metal. It kind of like sticks to it. It works fine for me. They say you shouldn't use it, but I'm okay. So then I'm going to put down my glitter paper right here. See if I can zoom out more. Alright, and move that over. Okay, is that anything in the way? Okay, so I'm just going to put down my die in the corner here, and I'll put one plate on top. And what I was informed, like from watching tutorials on this when it first came out, use a very beat up plate when you are using it, because there's a lot of pressure applied to cutting out your die. So I ran that through. I'm going to run it back. I don't believe you need to do it twice, but it's just easier for me to get it from the plate. Okay, I'm going to take away my machine. I'll also demo if it works without the plate, how well it cuts, and then we'll determine what we should do if you're going to get this. So it came out perfectly. See there? It just popped right out. I'm going to get this out of the die. I need one of those tools that you can, like a brush to roll out your dies. I do have one of those brad piercing tools to get everything out. I'm just poking through the holes so that I can get this released from the die. And I'm just trying to be gentle because this is so intricate. Okay. So there you go. This is the one I just did. And it cuts out beautifully. Okay, I'm going to cut out the word hugs again. This time I'm going to use this material that's like packaging material when you receive your goods when you order online. I saved this because I heard it was great for die cutting intricate dies. So I'm going to place it on my platform. Hopefully it won't slide around. And I'm going to bring back my Big Shot machine and see how well it cuts, because I do understand your frustration. I get frustrated too when I'm unable to die cut something and I have to run it through multiple times. So I'm going to bring back my machine and we'll see how it cuts without the precision base plate. And so now I'm going to run it back through. And see how well that worked. It may work and it may not. So let's test it out and see. Okay. So far, it cut through. Let's see how well it comes out. Looks like it's still stuck. Like material didn't, like it cut through the die, but I guess I have to be really careful poking out the pieces. It didn't fall out like it did with the precision base plate. So you will have to work with it somehow. So it's like embossed in there. So I can see where you guys would be frustrated. Okay, it's not coming out. So this is a fail. So my advice would be to take the adhesive card, the glitter, put it on some cardstock and use it for your precision base plate and cut it out, and then you'll have these die cuts like this that come out of the die no problem. And I'm not sure about the Gemini, but maybe the Gemini works very well for die cutting glitter paper. You'll have to leave me a comment in the section below and let me know if you have a Gemini and you've tried this. So it passed with the precision base plate. It failed without. So you would definitely need this if you're going to continue to buy the glitter paper from the Dollar Tree and you want to cut it out. So that would be my advice. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you need to know where to get this, I'm sure it's on the Sizzix website as well as Amazon. So I will link that in the description box below if you want to pick one of these up for your Big Shot. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll be back with more videos. I do appreciate you guys for subscribing and liking my videos. Thank you so much. Take care and have a fabulous day.